Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. So we got good news for Vechain. Another major supplier has actually joined the Vechain family at Walmart, and this is through Walmart. This major supplier has some pharmaceutical products, but they are a pretty big supplier in China. They're called the Kung Fu Loi Group. They're actually a Hong Kong company established in 1997, which, if you didn't know, is the year that Hong Kong became part of China again, and when Britain actually returned Hong Kong to actually China. So it is really gaining some dominance in Walmart China. And hopefully, like, I'm guessing this particular brand actually sells in other stores too. So maybe, hopefully, they can actually get some influence and spread VeChain to those other suppliers. But this is at least five more products in China, in Walmart, that is actually adopting VeChain. I'm not really sure how popular these medicines are. These look to be somewhat like traditional medicines. Traditional medicine, like Eastern medicine as they call it. I personally don't really believe in it all that much. Maybe besides acupuncture I sort of believe in. But the rest of the stuff, I personally don't believe it this much. But it's in that much. But I know it's very, very big in China. Like I said, I don't really know about the popularity of these brands, but every product could actually help VeChain burn more Vitho. So once again, this is very cool, and I think people are very concerned about this stuff, like where these ingredients actually come from. Is this the genuine stuff? There's a lot of fakes in China when it comes to pharmaceuticals, supplements, and things like that. It's a very, very big deal, multi-billion-dollar business, and VeChain is helping that. Hopefully, like other suppliers see this and they'll come onto the VeChain supply train. And I know Walmart sells more than just this particular brand in terms of their traditional medicine. So hopefully we'll see more of this from Walmart. So I don't really know how many more products they're going to actually bring on, but it seems like originally Walmart just said they were wanting to bring on like seafood and groceries, but obviously now they are moving on to other things, and hopefully they can actually just move on to like having everything in Walmart China be under VeChain Vitho. So pretty cool development. Hopefully this branches outside of Walmart into the other grocery stores, but also just Walmart adding more lines is very cool for Vitho burn. Recently, like we had a 10 million Vitho burn day yesterday, but today we're back at like 4 or 5 million again. I hope to see 10 million, 10 to 15 million more consistently, and I do think we will see that in the coming months. But just another cool piece of adoption for VeChain. And hopefully, like this will actually inspire some FOMO. Now, a lot of you have been asking me why VeChain isn't higher in market cap despite all the adoption. And it does have much more adoption enterprise-wise, but most of that adoption is actually in China and Asia and some in Europe. And despite like what people say, like the US isn't the center of the world, which I guess it isn't completely the center of the world, much of the crypto investing money comes from the US, about 40% of it. So not having really, well, I guess VeChain does have access in the US because of Binance.us, but people don't really know about these projects in the US, and the big guys don't really readily invest in them as more like European and American based projects. So I think it's like a matter of education, and obviously like people have bias against projects that are like in their home region. So it doesn't have as much notice because it's still not on Coinbase. And unlike Cardano, they don't give like AMAs every other day. So, and they're not really into DeFi, at least not yet. Maybe that will change with the VSwap 2.0, but those are some of the reasons like the market cap isn't as high, but it has actually been rising. And I think once the new protocol comes out, I think there will be some investment in it. Remember, Briar Capital actually did invest in VeChain, so they do have enterprise investment. But adding more and more products, and I think they really need like an American partnership that is an everyday name. Not like Avery Dennison is a very, very big company that they partnered with, Fortune 500, but that's not an everyday name, and most people don't know about that company, even though like it does have billions of dollars in revenue. So that's my thoughts on it. Here's some new products on VeChain, 5 products added, and hopefully they can add dozens more by the end of this month. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think, like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you, and have a nice day.